Hello, my name is Isabel Wheeler. It is December 12th of 2019 and it is week 7 video lab exercise of the anatomy of the urinary system. In this video, I'm going to be dissecting a fetal pig and then identifying the different structures of the urinary system. Okay, so I have dissected the fetal pig, and right here is the blood vessels of the kidneys. Right here we have the right kidney of the pig, and right here we have the left kidney of the pig. The kidneys are large bean-shaped organs that lie against the dorsal wall of the abdominal cavity underneath the organs of the digestive tract. The function of the kidneys is to filter waste from the blood and to regulate blood salt and water levels. The ureters are located right here on this fetal pig. The ureters are tubes of smooth muscle that pump urine from the kidneys to the urinary blood for storage. It can be easily found near the urinary bladder of the pig. So then the urinary bladder is located right there of the pig. The urine is made in the kidneys, and then it travels down 2 tubes, the ureters, into the urinary bladder, and then the bladder stores the urine, allowing urination to be infrequent and controlled. Here are the renal veins, right here on the fetal pig. The renal veins carry filtered blood from the kidneys to the posterior vena cava, and dorsal to the renal veins, we have the renal arteries, which are located right here. Right here on the kidney, we have the renal cortex. The renal cortex is responsible for regulating the stress response through synthesis of adrenaline. It's located on top of the kidneys, and it carries waste-laden blood away from the heart and into the kidneys. In the middle right here, we have the renal medulla. It contains the structures of the nephrons responsible for maintaining salt and water balance of the blood. And then over here, we have some fat located around the kidneys.